I'd like to take you through the steps that you'll need to follow to activate your account at our new diocesan intranet, patdioschools.org. Start your web browser just as if you were going to go any place to browse the net, and in the address bar, type this address, www.patdioschools.org. Again, that's www.patdioschools.org. When you go to patdioschools.org, this is the start page that you'll always see. But the first time that you come here, you'll need to sign in and activate your account. You can do that simply by clicking the Sign In button, which is over here on the right side of the screen. You should have received your username and password from the Diocesan Schools office. In these two boxes, enter your username and then your password. I'm going to use a test username that I've created, and I'm going to enter my password. As you enter the password, like in most cases, you won't actually see what you're typing. Instead, you'll see dots. And then just click the Sign In button. Since this is the first time that you're signing into the intranet, you need to prove that you're a person and not a computer. And you do that by typing these characters that you see here that are impossible for a computer to recognize, but a human can make them out. This is called a Turing test. And then scroll down, and there are terms of service here. You should really take a moment to read through them so that you'll understand what is considered appropriate and what is considered not appropriate in using the intranet. Since I've already read the terms of service, I'm going to skip reading them again. And then you need to click this button that says, I accept, create my account. And that's all there is to it. Now you're signed in. You'll know you're signed in because it has your email address up here, and also at the right side of the screen, that Sign In button now says Sign Out. Let's take a look at this screen. The two main areas that you'll probably want to be concerned with right now are the email links and also the Google Docs links. Today I'm going to talk mostly about email. To see your email inbox, just click the inbox link. There will probably already be a few messages in your inbox, one from Gmail telling you about Gmail, and a couple of test messages that I've sent as I've been constructing this intranet. If you want to view a message, like this message from Gmail, all you need to do is point at it and click, and the message opens in your inbox. To go back to the listing of messages, just click here where it says Back to Inbox. It's not very different from any standard email system like Outlook or Outlook Express or even America Online. And if you've used Gmail or Hotmail, you'll probably recognize some similarities. If you want to learn more about the email system, the easiest way to do it is to click up here on the Help link and then to look at the Gmail Help Center, where you'll find detailed information about how to accomplish all the different kinds of tasks you'll need to know for using your email. Or you can also click here for a brief video overview of the email system. For right now, I'm going to go back to my inbox just by closing Help and going back here to my inbox. To write a message, all you need to do is click the link that says Compose Mail, and you'll see a standard email box. One of the nice things about this system is that all the users in the diocese have already been assigned email addresses, and it's very easy to find those. You don't need to remember the person's address. All you need to know is their name. For example, suppose you want to send an email to John Finelli. All you need to do is click in the To area and start typing my name, J-O, and you'll see that everyone whose name contains J-O has popped up. So if you wanted to send an email to me, just come down and click on my name. Suppose you wanted to also send that email to John Erickson. You could again type either J-O, or you could type the first few letters of his last name, and you'll see that that also appears. Put your subject here, and then you can type your message down here. Notice that you can do things like bold, italic, underline. You can change the font to a different one if you like. You can change the size of the type. You can change the color of the type, and do things like bullet lists or numbered lists as well. Here are things like centering. And then, of course, when you want to send the email message, just click the Send button. If you're not ready to send the message just yet, you can click the Save button and it will be sent to your Drafts folder over here. If you decide that you don't want to send the message, you can click the Discard button and it will be moved to your Trash folder. To go back to your inbox, just click the Inbox link. You'll notice over here on the left side of the screen are some links to folders in your inbox that you see in many other email programs as well. Your drafts are here. Any messages that you have sent are here in the Sent Mail folder. Any junk mail messages that you have received are in the Spam folder. And of course, any messages that you've discarded are in the Trash. When you're finished with your email, you can click here to go back to the Start page. That will bring you back to the Start page. If you're then done and you want to sign out, just click the Sign Out button here. And now you're signed out. That's all there is to using the intranet email system. I hope you find it useful.